Hi and welcome to our training video. I'll be taking you through all the new features of our telephone system. So here we have the Polycom VVX 501 handset, the enhanced handset. First thing you need to do to be able to use the handset is to guest in. We do that by pressing the key here, guest in, user extension 25, so. Then down to passcode, also sometimes known as the pass pin code. Once you've entered that in, press OK. It says verifying credentials, and we can see that our main screen is back and it's ready for use. We're going to go through the in-call functions. First thing we're going to do is show you how to make a phone call. So we're going to use this using the preferred method, which is the on-hook dialing, so leaving the handset in place. So let's start dialing our number, and as we're doing so, notice that the numbers are appearing on the screen on the top here. If we make a mistake, you can always use the backspace here until we're happy and correct that number. So let's do that. When we're happy that the number is correct and we want to make that call, we simply press the green button here, and there you can see this is making a call now to this number. I'm just going to end that call there for us. Okay. Let's do that again. This time we're going to use the speaker mode. Same number. There we are. Happy with that number. This time, instead of pressing the green button here, we press the speaker here. There it is in the speaker mode here. Let's end the call there. And our final method, make that call again. Happy with the number? This time we're just going to simply lift the handset. And there you can see it's making the call. Here we are looking at the live call in progress here, and we want to show you how to put the caller on hold. We do this by pressing the button here. As you can see, the caller is now on hold, and to resume the call again, press the button here, and the call is now resumed. So now we're going to show you how to transfer a call. Here we have a live call in action, and to transfer the call we press this button here. Hear the dial tone, dial the extension number we'd like, and you can hear the other phone ringing. The other phone is now answered, and to transfer we press the button. So now we're going to show you the multi-way conference facility. Here we have a live call to this number, and in my example I could be a GP having a call with a patient now and asking for a specialist consultant to join. So here's the number that we're calling. Press conference, dial tone, pressing number for the consultant. There he is. Consultant has now answered the call, and we simply press the conference. And notice it says conference call now, and we're in a three-way conference. It's going to run through some of the functions on the handset itself. So here we have the headset button, we have the speaker button, and with the mic mute button. This long slider button here is the volume button. Its use is pressing the plus and minus like so, will control the ring volume when on standby. Pressing the speaker, pressing the plus and minus key like this, controls the volume of the speaker. And when you're actually in a call, pressing the plus and minus key controls the conversation volume. Next, we're going to move on to the call list by pressing this button here. Here you can see the calls that have been made and received and missed on this handset. Pressing the middle key here gives me the menu, and we can select missed calls, and it will just show us the missed calls, and this is shown by this red indicator on the left hand side there. Pressing the middle key again, selecting receive calls, it's now showing us the receive calls with a green indicator like so. And finally, pressing the middle key, pressing the place calls will now show us the place calls, and that's indicated by the blue indicators. Next, we're going to show you how to change the ring type on the handset. This is particularly useful if you have multiple handsets in a small area. So we do this by pressing the home key, into settings, into basic, number 5, which is ring type, and here you can see currently the low trill has been selected. We can select other types of call ring types, medium trill, and if we want to listen to that, we can press the play button here. We can scroll through other choices as well. When we're happy with our choice, we simply press the home key twice. So when you're finished using the handset, you need to guest out of it. To do so, we go to More, and we press the guest out button here. Notice it's logging out, and it will return into the guest out mode, like so. This handset is now available for other users to guest into, and all calls have stopped recording and reporting. The specific timing of each function covered is detailed on the opening slide, so you can always revert back to the specific feature as and when you need. I hope you found our video useful. Remember to revert back to our relevant sections as you begin to use your new handset.